Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, there's never enough money left at the end of the month? You're not alone. But the truth is, even on a low income, you can take control of your money if you learn how to budget the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to budget step by step, even if you're starting with almost nothing. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting framework that helps you organize your money into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and for savings or debt repayment. Let's say you earn 10,000 rolls per month. 5,000 rolls should go toward needs like rent, transport, and groceries. 3,000 rolls can be used for wants like eating out, Netflix, or shopping. And 2,000 rolls should go to savings, emergency funds, or paying off debt. Let's break it down further. Needs, 50%. Needs are essentials: rent, electricity, food, transport to work. Ask yourself, will something serious happen if I don't pay for this? That's a need. Wants, 30%. Wants are the fun stuff: takeaways, data bundles, entertainment, new clothes. You can live without these, even though they're enjoyable. Savings, debt, 20%. This portion is crucial. Use it to build an emergency fund, contribute to retirement, or pay off loans faster. It's how you build wealth and stay out of debt. Tips for success. Tips to stay on track. Set spending limits and use cash envelopes if needed. Use free apps like 22/7 or Good Budget. Review your budget every month. Remember, every small win adds up over time. The 50-30-20 rule makes money management simple and doable, especially if you're just starting out. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more easy money tips. Comment below. What's your biggest budgeting struggle right now? I'd love to help.